The STG-44 was the weapon that influenced the design of modern assault rifles, but there are other weapons that have influenced the design of modern Western assault rifles. The weapons in question are the AR-10 or AR-15, or the Armalite 10 and 15. After World War II, the United States was looking to replace older weapons like the M1 Garand and carbine, especially after the Soviet Union came out with the AK-47, and so the United States introduced the M14 rifle, a rifle based on the design of the Garand. The rifle's performance on the battlefield was overall abysmal, and so the US had to get a weapon to replace it. Armalite stepped in and designed the AR-10, which has some of the features seen on modern rifles, and after some modifications, they came out with the AR-15. It was soon put into service by the US military and redesignated as the M16. Over the years, the M16's design changed with the introduction of different variations. The M16 was soon replaced by the M4 carbine, which was a compact version of the previous rifle. It also came with a new feature which was known as the Picatinny rail system, which was used to place attachments on the rifle like scopes, lasers, and even grenade launchers. And the reason for replacing the M16 with the M4 was because the M4 was better suited for close quarter combat against enemies in urban areas. The M4 and M16 further influenced the design of Western rifles, including the HK416 and the C782. Soon after that, the company 6 Hour introduced a customizable weapon known as the MCX Spear, which the US recently adopted into service as the XM7, a rifle that shares similar designs to the M4 carbine, aside from the larger rifle caliber that the XM7 uses. The reason for the larger rifle caliber is due to the advancements in body armor that America's adversaries possess. Each rifle introduced was an improved design building on the design of previous generations, and all of them share a similar design to the original Armalite rifles, which makes the Armalite rifles some of the most influential rifles in history.